The western red cedar can measure up to 230 feet tall and 13 feet in diameter. Good gosh. So that tree has some growing to do. There's a big one. Oh, it's split into two. Rocky wall over there. It's very pretty. Wow. I mean, these are some huge cedar trees. Whew! It's a little chilly this morning, about 50 degrees. Look at the root system on this thing. That's amazing. Wow, that is amazing. The moss growing on the side of the rock there. It's very quiet. There's not a whole lot of people here this morning. We like it. We like to leave early though. Enormous, enormous trees. I have cedar scent blocks under my bed where I store all of our winter clothing and whatnot. Look at the bark on this one. That's amazing. Wow. Oh, weeping rock. Must be water here somewhere. Stand right there, honey. Man. Stand in front of the tree.
I want to look at it. See?
But
it's a big cedar.
But be normal.
I know.
No, you're standing there. Yeah, you're stiff. You're stiff. There you go.
What y'all think now?
Oh, God. This here is Avalanche Creek. Isn't it pretty? Oh, look at this side. There we go. Look at there. Very pretty.
Look at the water, how clear it is. Glacier runoff.
Awesome. Okay, this is where we're going. Avalanche Lake Trailhead. Come through the Cedars first, and this is not for the handicap. So, this is straight up. Alright, here we go. No fires, no smoking, no grills. You better have your bear spray. And no puppy dogs. No puppy dogs beyond this point. See Avalanche Lake to your left, McDonald Lake to your right, and the campground back behind us. Okay, up we go. This is at the top of the hill. It wasn't too bad. Not too bad at all. You can hear the water running down there. That's pretty. That is really, really pretty. Wow. Awesome. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. How pretty is that? Awesome. This trail is fairly easy. This one, on a scale from 1 to 5, to me is probably a 2. Highline is a 5. Highline was tough. Look how clean this water is. Is that not amazing how clean that is? Wait a minute, what now?
How many years you think it took for this water to run up here?
And carve out all this rock and make it smooth.
Thousands of years.
Look at that. That's just natural beauty there, buddy. That is so pretty. So pretty. Okay, back on the trail. Back on the trail. Of course, on any trail, you know, you have to be careful. Look at it. Ah. So pretty. Hi. Oh, nice. Very nice. Really pretty. This is a great trail. Great trail. Little boardwalk here. Water must come up this high sometimes. It's just so sad. It's so dry here now. So dry. Oh, I hope they have a nice snowfall this winter. That would be awesome. The next spring, everything should be green again. It's a lot of cedar trees, isn't it? I can't see the tree for the forest. Oh my. So peaceful. I'm so glad we got here early before it got all crowded. You can walk down to the water right here. Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, we have met several people that swim in the water up here. And the water is like ice cold everywhere. There's a reason they call it Avalanche Lake. It's because it's cold. So pretty. So pretty. This is considered Avalanche Creek. Okay. More hill climbing. Alright. Talk to you soon. This trail is. Look how pretty this trail is. Shoot. Iceberg was easy. Easy. This one right now is also easy. You just got a few hills to climb when you first start this one. But we are climbing up to Avalanche Lake. I know people are like, climbing up to a lake. Yes, because most of the lakes here are in the mountains. So I'll give you more detail on the in the video. But right now, this is pretty easy. Pretty easy. Wow, now that's a big tree. But we think it's pretty dead. Doesn't look like there's very much on top. Man, that's gonna hurt when that falls. You might be able to hear it a mile away. Okay. Okay, we're approaching Avalanche Lake, and a couple hikers told us that it's not as pretty as Iceberg. That's okay. It's okay. We hiked up a mountain to see it. So, let's see it. This is Avalanche Lake. Not as pretty as Iceberg Lake. And can you see the waterfall up there? Way on top. Oh, there's another one there too. And another one there. I know, it's smoky. And another one. So I see 4 looking right here. Wow. Look at the mountains up there. Look at the rock. Is that not amazing?
Carol, you want your sandwich? Hey.
Look how jagged that rock is up there. I know, it's still smoky.
Here, I guess put that
Smoky,
back in the
smoky.
bag.
I'm taking a walk around Avalanche Lake to go over to the waterfall to take some shots. I'll show you in a few. Okay, our crew is over there sitting on the beach, and we came over here to get better shots. There's Carol! And there's the mountain in front of us. Oh, the mountains. And the waterfall over there. Very nice.